Hi, this is Michael Doctorman, and I want to talk to you about one of the most common gaps we find in insurance for manufacturers. Many manufacturers like to insure their own personal vehicles on the commercial auto policy. Makes a lot of sense. They use their personal vehicles for business. But this is where companies get in trouble, where they'll either, to save money, take company-owned vehicles and put them on their own personal auto policies, or they take personally owned vehicles and put them on the commercial auto policy. And there's a thing called insurable interest. It's what keeps me from taking out an insurance policy on your car. If you get into an accident, then I request payment on my policy on your car, and the insurance company will tell me, no way, you don't own the car. And the same is true, your company doesn't own your personal vehicle, nor do you own the company trucks. So you cannot insure them on other contracts unless you put something in place like a lease agreement making the other party responsible. So if your personal vehicle is being insured by the company, you must create a lease between you and the company stating that you're leasing the vehicle to the company. It doesn't have to be for any set amount of money. It just has to be enough to make the company liable and responsible for your vehicle so the company policy can insure it. If you don't have such a lease agreement, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.